Creating a landing page on Weebly is a great way to capture leads or promote a specific product or service. Here's how to build a landing page. Log into Weebly. Go to weebly.com and log into your account. Create a new page. From the dashboard, click on the Edit Site button to open the website editor. Navigate to the Pages tab and click plus Add Page. Choose Standard Page for a simple landing page. Set the page type to landing page. After creating the new page, select it from the list of pages. In the page settings, make sure to check the box that says Hide from Navigation. This ensures the landing page won't appear in the side menu but can still be accessed via direct link. Customize your landing page. Use a drag and drop editor to add essential elements like text, images, headlines, and call to action buttons. Include a form element to capture visitor information. You can also use a video or image background to make the page visually appealing. Publish your landing page. Once satisfied with the design, click Publish to make your landing page live.